Hey there! Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of your muscles. Today, I'll share some simple exercises you can do at home to boost your muscle strength. You don't need expensive equipment or hours at the gym, just dedication to regular, consistent habits. First up, strength training. This includes squats, lunges, push-ups, and dumbbell exercises. Strength training helps stimulate muscle growth and protects them from damage. Next, walking or light jogging. It's a low-impact exercise that improves cardiovascular health, supports endurance, and helps preserve muscle tone. Aim to walk for at least 30 minutes, 4-5 times a week. Balance exercises are also super important. Standing on one leg, heel-to-toe walking, or gentle yoga stretches can reduce the risk of falls. Improving balance is key to maintaining independence. Now let's talk about core strengthening. A strong core stabilizes your body, prevents back pain, and improves overall movement. Try planks, leg raises, and seated abdominal twists to keep your core strong. Lastly, don't forget flexibility and stretching. Gentle stretching, yoga, or Pilates help maintain joint mobility and muscle elasticity. Start now. You don't need a gym or expensive machines. These simple exercises can help keep you strong, active, and independent. Now that you know how these exercises can protect your muscles, start today and preserve your muscle strength. Every day of effort will make you stronger and more independent, and your future self will